Socheng Constituency MAC Head Sing Rongphar Langlongchor arong kahumri dam. Deihori Baptist Church Mission Department pen Tika Alum kedam. Kardom Nili Birta Life Tanbang Pi Sami Rini Mailin Timong Pi Let's not nang ton Birta Arjupanikta. MAC Head Sing Rongphar Border Pan Kaching Hot Dokoga Job Pini Arnikang Samapor Alang Liri Sang Ho Tumpen Karbang Long Autonomous Council pen Kibipon Khanduli Taxation Gate Adima Longan Kahumrida. Karbiang Long Lapen Meghalaya Border Longan Alam Kikidoke Itum Karbia Tumle at Hekiri Kali Bonta Chomanga Tum Loksi Ekiri Papa Lapen Ahoy Dui Laki 1951 Jangmipo Nipai Cricket Homarni Survey of India Pen Kipangdak Pona Tenke Khandulia Ronke Karbiang Long Arusi Do Lasi Halaswa Tengsi Do Tip Nang Jipusi Karbiang Long Autonomous Council MAC Head Sing Rongphar pen Ningjepon Langlongchor pen Birta Life Herangke Robert B report.
Kedam tang dari kena kep dak Khandulia Chomang tum aron pen dak Langlongchor an bangsi Karbiang Long Autonomous Council entry teget kaparang no dak nilin pen rang ni tumpan pinrem lo jen la sono sailang no bang claim kledan ni the tribal long bang alitum monsam kedu fansi ahoy long bang fransi kedu verat mana matha pangking ni lalo la pen ahoy alam bang nilitum Karbiang Long Autonomous Council ilitum ningi chithana ilitum CM Dr. Turam long masame kai mata pulo je Karbiang Long along le bang NC sidame bang pan kipi da ji fansi bori pon bom lo la pen kedu vetame ilitum dak Langlongchor piala le punoi Khandulia ra le punoi ma dak Hidobarim arong asartum chini je ahoy abangke 1951 13 April hut Survey of India tum pangdak alo la sinon abangke Khandulia chomang adru to Langlongchor sol kadru pule la bangke lam kali athe la bangke jongsi kenang soddu prote Meghalaya sarkar la pen Assam sarkar ang bong chingki po la so pensi kaching kelong kopi ma hadak ke klang hala so puthak central government pan PC aro resurvey nai positame claim thoji la sida ka bangke lang tum aron repen dak wang pen anut pan ketel ma ko Pini ka parang no po bang la bang chokche la so jutang bang alang le tum dame ke klem kledaji phasini li chuni ri lo la pen tum dak Karbiang Long ra bang ke Pinian dame ni li ningthe ili tum kai ma dame paprang phri je ahoy lam klang aling dame alang le tum si paprang la bang non het poli ni li ningkan troxiner ke paprang same dak aprang dame de lo ni tum janta student union dame juai और किधर लोग हमें लाहौर join survey पर थांग हमें चिंग वाले हमें हासु होता लांग लेतुम बांग सी pas success delo ma lang letum bensi ason pong rod ma se hasu tame chunti delo la sila so putak non bang ta putot nang do tu
what I will try to maintain peace.
Okay, sir.
So, what do you have to say about that incident happens on the 17th of this month?
Actually, I cannot comment for that now because it's not my duty to comment for that.
One question, sir. You are video, no?
Yeah.
Our deputy commissioner has clearly mentioned that the Khanduli is over Assam with documents, with a map. Being a video, did you know where is the proper boundary of Meghalaya and Assam?
I'm quite new. I've told you just 2 months only I'm here in this country, so I don't know anything about that.
So, as
You should know, sir.
I'm also new now.
Yes.
Just during election, after election, only one.
Actually,
not
as
even 1 month I'm working here.
actually, as per our investigation, our knowledge, we have survey a lot here through media. The documentations, the revenue, everything they paid to the Assam government, the land what they set up the intrigate here. So the revenue, everything paid to the Assam government only. So what do you have to say about that? If the this has to be claimed by the Meghalaya government or by the Assam government?
I cannot comment on this because it's not my duty to comment on this. This is actually for the border issue, na. Both the council, I have told you, na. Both the council, Jaintia Hill Autonomous Council and.
Pini Deihori Baptist Church Mission Department pen Tika Alum along Missionary atipit arnam kardom ajaimek kepado pon. La solo Pini porphai krihinia porben kardom hema room damsi chingrum si may pangcheng ponlo. Bang solo girja ki japon may pu Tika Baptist Church pastor aduntu arnam lam githan Reverend D. Inti KABC chunbang barim pensi than ponlo lasolong tika mandali ke ja tum pen danglo ke the ke ding risoi janga tumta chitong dun pen mayor di bidun news desk Berta Live.
All my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am in.
Pini Berta bangke lapon si kangton poniklo laing bom tha Berta Live.